Hello everyone, this is Michael Beck with Growing with the Gold. Today I'm here to tell you about the new Royal Gold planting mix. This is a product that we just released last year. It's a beautiful all-purpose planting mix. Contains zero perlite. It's based on our composted wood fiber, coconut fiber, earthworm castings, and various dry amendments. The beauty of this planting mix is its versatility in the garden. It's got zero perlite, as I mentioned, so it's really nice, soft, fluffy, beautiful for all applications, but it allows the water to penetrate really, really nicely. It's got a nice medium level nutrient charge, so it's going to encourage all types of plants to grow really well. It's not going to be too strong for anything that's a little more sensitive, and it's going to allow those roots to push through the medium really quickly and effectively because of how loose it is. It's got really nice pore space, airspace within the medium, but it also holds a good amount of water to carry your plants through those dry spells. A few crops that really excel well in the planting mix are going to be things like strawberries that like a nice tight bed. Things like carrots are really going to run through all sorts of root vegetables. Beets, radishes are really going to displace this soil to form a nice tuber really well. Flowers like dahlias, things like that are also going to build a tuber or rhizome or something of that nature, something nice and chunky as a root. This is going to be soft and get displaced very, very easily. So in these beds, we're going to plant a wide variety of crops, including some companion plants like marigolds, some beautiful flowers, things like that. But it's also excellent for peas, beans, things like that you want to grow really quickly. Again, because those roots are going to run through quickly, access that nutrient, you're going to be able to water effectively and get that growth rate up. So whatever you're growing, planting mix would be a great choice, but a few of those crops of key interest for planting mix, strawberries, tomatoes, tubers, carrots, beets, all of those types of things are going to thrive in that Royal Gold planting mix, the gold standard in gardening. The first thing that strikes me when I open a bag is how dark and clean that material looks. Got a really nice earthy smell. You can tell that forest material in there is breaking down. You can tell it's got some fertilizer in there. It gives it a little bit more richness, and you can feel the softness from the coconut fiber as well. This mix is going to perform great in all your raised bed applications, large containers, small containers. It's even effective for propagation. No matter what you're growing at home, if you're looking to add life into the soil in your ground or create a new bed with something that's going to be lush, beautiful, and perlite free, Royal Gold planting mix is here for you. Check in with us again to see why Royal Gold is the gold standard in gardening.